Welcome back to Liquid Data, where we turn raw numbers into smooth insights. Today we're talking about Python, what it is, why it's a must-have for data analytics, and how you can start using it today. If you're still messing around with Excel like it's 1999, buckle up, let's dive in. Alright, first things first. Python is a high-level programming language, and no, it has nothing to do with snakes. It's famous for being beginner-friendly, versatile, and powerful for handling data. As examples, you can use it for web development, automation, and guess what? Data analytics. Unlike Excel, which makes you manually click around like it's a Minesweeper game, Python lets you automate everything. Need to clean up thousands of messy rows in seconds? Python's got you. Want to run advanced calculations without breaking your spreadsheet? Python. Need to visualize data without losing your mind? You get the point. Now let's talk about why Python is the GOAT for data analytics. The secret sauce? Libraries. Think of them as cheat codes that unlock powerful features. Pandas is like Excel on steroids. It helps you manipulate data with just a few lines of code. On the other hand, NumPy speeds up calculations so you don't crash your computer at all. Now what about Matplotlib and Seaborn? Those are your visualization MVPs. Want to see trends and insights pop? That's where they come in. Check this out. Loading and analyzing a dataset with Python takes just a few lines of code. Now compare that to the countless hours you'd spend dragging and clicking on a spreadsheet. Efficiency is key, my friends. So how do you actually get started? Step 1. Download Python and Jupyter Notebook. Step 2. Install the Holy Trinity, Pandas NumPy and Matplotlib. Step 3. Start to play around with real datasets. Don't overthink it, just get your hands dirty. Alright, let's get this rolling. Here's a challenge for you. Download the dataset from the link in the description and load it into Pandas. Once you've done that, clean the data by removing any missing values. After that, filter the data for the year 2024 and create a simple bar chart showing the total fuel consumption for each truck in that year using Matplotlib. Here's the code to help you out. This should give you a solid bar chart of fuel consumption for each truck in the year of 2024. Give it a try and drop a comment below if you run into any issues. The best way to learn is by doing. Alright, Liquid folks, that's your crash course on Python for data analytics. If you're still sleeping on Python, wake up! It's time to level up your data game. Now smash that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to check my last video where I spent a whole day learning SQL. See you next time!